Hi everyone, welcome to Mom's Kitchen. This is me Sagnika here, and today our recipe will be mint ginger iced tea. After a long tiring day or a workout, it helps you to get refreshing. This iced tea helps in digestion. Now let's watch the recipe. Take 2 cups of boiled water, 1 handful mint leaves, 1 tablespoon smashed ginger, 2 tablespoons normal tea or green tea. Here we take normal tea, 2 tablespoons honey and ice cubes. Add boiling water to a pitcher. Add tea leaves to it. Mint leaves for the flavor. And required amount of ginger to taste, and keep it for the next 8 minutes. Pour it through a sieve and discard its solids. Stir required amount of honey to it. Let it cool to the room temperature for about 2 hours. Now serve it into 2 beautiful glasses. And add ice to it. Garnish it with mint leaves. This drink can be refrigerated for up to 3 days. Hope you like this video. For more videos, keep watching Mom's Kitchen and do like, share and subscribe.